Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2002 Ford Windstar. The cabin air filter is easy to access, as you only have to remove one easy-to-remove cover in the cowl for access to the filter. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will allow you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You'll have to peel back the wheel well lining for access to the fog light. This lining can grow tight to the vehicle and be difficult to peel back. To access the spare tire, you will have to lower it from under the vehicle first. The lowering mechanism can grow rusted to the vehicle and be difficult to peel back. The brake fluid reservoir is not overly visible in the engine bay. This will make it hard to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Overall, the 2002 Ford Windstar is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, but is more recommended to those capable of vehicle maintenance.